Yo, what's up everybody? We just arrived to Pererenan. I know it's a very difficult name, but that's the name of the local village here. It's called Pererenan, which is actually continuation of the residential area in Bali. So many nice restaurants, villas, also locals living here. Everybody into harmony, and probably potentially this is the brand new tourist spot in Bali. So let's explore today something little bit different than Kuta and Legian again. So that's the beautiful Bali Indonesian cow. Little bit different than this one what we have in Poland. We have black and white in Poland. Here in Canggu they are different. Pererenan actually, Pererenan. Beautiful lovely sellers here, Jagung guy, Kalapa lady here, everybody enjoying. Hello. And of course so much new development over there. There's some nice restaurant overlooking ocean in general, and the Indian Ocean here. Surfing spot actually, this is surfing spot, so everybody who's surfing, this made be for you. Black Sand Beach. And well, this actually was raining recently, so it's a little bit quiet, but check this out. What is over there between the cows, because there are baby cows here and there. It's the newest rooftop bar or beach club or rooftop club, or I don't know even how to describe this, but something new there. And this targeting the, of course, the tourists. There is local vibe and there are tourist vibe. Okay, let's get deep inside the village. Because I don't know, maybe because it was rainy I talk like cows this, cow this, but that's how it is. Pererenan, like I mentioned before, still tourist vibe, like this one, and still local vibe, like over there, the cows and locals. So that's actually very interesting.
So one thing I realized, Pererenan, it's quite hard to say, developing a lot. On the way to the beach, I can see that the mixed feeling in terms of how the Westerners, influence all the life, in Pererenan area, because we can spot so many Western restaurants, and then also so many brand new shop, boutique, salon, spa, whatever it is in Pererenan area. And one of these over there, the kind of a rooftop bar, but look like beach club.
And what do you think about this one as Balinese local born in the area of Tabanan? Tell me honestly your personal
Everything
expression.
will slowly going there, that direction to the west. In Tabanan.
Tanah Lot is actually over there. It's also, I think, good to mention that as I was actually starting here like 7 years ago, driving my little scooter here, and it was totally nothing, like a forest, kind of palm trees, and little warung, like a little stall with the old grandma selling coconuts. Actually only coconuts, and I don't even remember if she had the beers. But now also many Western tourists visiting this place every single time. Many of them, they living here. Also, this is newest surfing hotspot here. Somehow this is how it's westernized. And there is the bar. They even have a painting, American 50s ladies style. So that's how does it look like. Bali involving so much. Just this kids on the loud bikes is annoying a little bit.
At least they are wearing helmets.
At least they are wearing helmet, and I believe they have a license as well. But that's actually not their fault as somebody renting cloud bikes here, right? And well, overall, everywhere there are villas, like I mentioned, around, like this one. Also so many restaurants what they're actually going to have some dinner, because there is actually a very nice Italian restaurant. I read the reviews. And well, at the same time, it's actually very calm. It's sunset time nearly. But like a guy driving with the dog, it's like busy and quiet at the same time. It's calm, but enjoyable, like really enjoyable. I'm gonna show you. As you can find, the Gabber is empty still. There's no traffic like in Legian, for example. This is one of the Italian restaurants, not sure the name, but we're gonna have a pizza later. But we wanna show you a little bit what's going on around here. As you can see, this is the restaurant, that's the villas, that's the another construction, another villa or something, and this is the gate to the beach. Actually, you have to pay 5,000 car, 2,000 by bike. And just between the restaurant, like Masmara kitchen, There is plot of empty land where still cows are there. But in the background you have already modern villas, and there is like a co-working space and some other establishments, and huge villas over there in the background. I'm gonna zoom it a little bit for you. So that's how this land, like this one, it was long time ago everywhere. Just like in your village at home, right? Honey, you look shocked a little bit.
No, it's just like, wow. I remember that this is just like a piece of, like empty land long time ago, but now it's just like,
I mean, that's not even 10 years ago,
Yeah.
not that long ago. And yeah, but well, that's the vibe here in Pererenan. I always love a little bit of the name of the village, but that's actually original name of the desa here, Pererenan. Well, everywhere is something already, but no footpath, because this is still considered as the village, and small road. Actually, this is like 2 big cars and it's hard to pass by. Okay, 2 trucks, definitely hard. And well, no footpaths and no space. I don't think so ever footpaths gonna be here.
And over there, I think this one is the accommodation hotel or something like that,
Yeah.
open for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and seems like many rooms.
Yeah, actually yes, and seems like some people actually living there. This name is Bohim, something like that.
Oh, that's the digital nomads hub.
What is digital nomad hubs? I explained to the people, even to me, I
Digital
don't know.
nomad hub is that the hub, like the hotel accommodation where the digital nomads living. They work from laptops. They work in somewhere in the company, but they can work online, or maybe they have a business online, or they are entrepreneur. They live in Bali, and then they connected here in the apartment or hotel. Look, 1, 2, 3, they have a rooftop spa and everything there.
So cool, huh?
Yeah, that's the trend where the digital nomad living in Bali.
More construction here and there. There was something, but I already demolished, and the brand new Ruko, it's called Ruko in local language, but it's like a space to rent. 2 for rent still, in case I mean, actually, I don't know if for rent, no paper, but looks like. And on the middle is already a little boutique. And then you have a Monsieur spoon. This is you should familiar with this brand from the Seminyak, for example. The huge Monsieur spoon here. So, some brands actually here already came from Seminyak and different areas. Some fancy looking, I don't know what is
Oh,
it.
that's the Halt Hub. You see that one from the sign?
What is it?
Halt Hub.
Hi, yo, what's up? Funny Grab driver here. Health Hub.
Halt Hub. Ubud Sanur Uluwatu Canggu Detox Program, Liver Cleanse Consult Classes, Functional Medicine.
Crazy. Unbelievable. And villa in the back, in behind actually as
Yeah.
well. Villa. So yeah, that's how does it look like. And another place here. And the traffic is very moderate here actually. Very moderate. I could say even enjoyable. And the wrong gym is there. I mean, under the construction, the gym, or maybe already open, maybe not. And some people coming to watching the sunset. I had some of them, they call it local beach. I'm not sure if it's still local, not anymore, it was. But for some people, maybe still local. Construction of the gym, and actually you can walk like 4 kilometers deep inside. There is already bottle shops, some gelato shops, some bars, some restaurants, some Italian restaurants. More and more construction. Here's supposed to be some bar with the pool, but it's gone. Victims of pandemic also are here. And nice cars driving around. Construction and over something, I don't even have idea what is gonna be over there. Some more restaurant, rice, a modern Indian kitchen and bar. We were actually there once, this restaurant. We make a video, you can have a look if you would like. Taste of Beirut. Actually interesting. I'm surprised somebody opened place like this one here. Some people actually even enjoying. Grabs, Gojek, Circle K, everything is already here. And still some plots of land for lease actually, this one, in case if you would like. So yeah, that's the Pererenan.
This is what I told you behind me, like Pererenan is getting more and more westernized. Just like this restaurant, just like behind me over there. And this one is called Tribal, open 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. And this one, co-living, co-working, cafe, pool and bar. So this is what it is happening and what it is the trending in Pererenan area.
Alright, but that's pretty enough of showing you the area here and talking about life and the development here. Let's have some good pizza right now, and probably you may also be interested in what you can eat here. Never been in this place, I'm hungry, I like pizza. I spoke with my friend recently today. Damian, don't you think as the Bali have the best Western food in Asia? Definitely, without doubts. If I want to have the best pizza in Asia, Bali is the place. If you want to have a burgers, Bali is the place. In general, Western food, Bali is the best. That's without doubt. This is how does it look like into one of the restaurants. Very nice, cozy. They have a nice paintings, by the way. But I'm not sure if we are actually talking about the paintings. We are talking about this beauty here, capricciosa pizza. Looks so good, and the bruschetta like this one. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, that's all from Pererenan area. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Let's have dinner.
See ya. Bye bye.